The explosion at the gas station in Grozny, Russia, caused an earthquake and threw a tanker 10,000 feet into the air, while flames scuttled from the tanker at the filing station.
Whoa!
Holy crap!
A living reminder that nothing is certain. The cliffside fall in Melbu Zuma Besh left a scene of destruction as it crumbled.
Caught it on the video too. Oh dear.
In 2002, during the air show, the RAF AADAG.22-2 transport plane experienced an issue with its landing gear just before touching down. As the video shows, the plane then had a problem with its front landing gear after touching down, which caused it to nosedive and grind down on the runway, flying sparks everywhere. Witness the first ever occurrence of a fully synchronized Dragon Eye tidal on the Chentang River in Jiangxi, China. A landslide in Fresno County, California, deposited boulders and debris over a flooded road on January 9, 2023, following a devastating storm that hit the area. Be cautious, particularly when Mother Nature is being unforgiving. Breathtaking footage captured by a camera in the French Alps shows the avalanche that sent tons of rock and dirt tumbling down a mountain. Witness the grandeur of the 2015 Grokha earthquake as it reverberates around Kathmandu, Nepal, affecting both humans and inanimate items. Incredible as it may seem, the truck's diver failed to detect the sideways trapped automobile and no one was hurt. Unzen volcano's massive pyroclastic flows are the epitome of destructive power. They carry clouds of ash and dust and shoot them at everything in their path with an unrelenting ferocity. It's more likely a meteor than a rocked collision. An extraordinary video was captured by an Australian man near a beach while he was experimenting with his body camera. Picture yourself slammed into the middle of a raging tornado near Laramie, Wyoming, with gusts so powerful they may crush everything in their path. It's the kind of sight that sends shivers down your spine. As a violent earthquake shook the cafe and sent everyone into a frantic panic, this stunning footage captures the pandemonium as it reaches Vanuatu's capital. the well of renown. It's as if you're watching nature's own vortex drawing everything into its depths, as water flows down this 72-foot wide hole when the lake hits capacity, creating a stunning swirling effect. The gigantic drain also serves as a portal to another world. I have to be careful and hold on to my junk when an accident with a small wheel can be fatal. However, ever seen a sky glow red like this? It happened in Japan and it was a remarkable experience. The dock ramp was devastated by a massive tidal bore that surged through the Hogley River, causing damage similar to a little tsunami. The destructive power of nature was demonstrated as the waves plowed on with an unstoppable force, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Although it was originally designed to dry ice aircraft wings from frost, this turbine-powered blower has many other potential uses, such as blowing leaves, snow, melt ice, and dry ice. Relax. This is not a sinking ship. Rather, it is the largest self-righting fireboat in the world undergoing testing. Quite the stunning vessel, isn't it?
I 14-15 Shimizu. Oni tutaj dzisiaj zrobili największe wrażenie, a tymczasem nie ustał tego szalonego.
Disturbing image as a raging storm sweeps across California. A mudslide, accompanied by a mixture of mud, water, and boulders, rushed heavily down a staircase and encircled the houses of the inhabitants in Tamil Nadu's Tiruvannamalai town in the aftermath of Storm Fani. Did you think it was very impressive that a self-made rocket was successfully launched into the sky? Hundreds of people flocked to Tuesday night's launch of an unmanned commercial supply ship to the International Space Station, and it seems like a few of them were filming the moment the rocket detonated seconds after takeoff. A Turkish pool transformed into an ocean in an instant. Quickly, with large waves, a seismic event took place.
Yep.
He's gonna hit us next.
The entire house in Azal was destroyed in a landslide, which serves as a stark reminder of how susceptible humans are to the unstoppable power of nature.
Gawas na. Bato nagwa.
This flash flood in western Nebraska was triggered by intense storms, but instead of sticks and other debris, it collected hail. An audible. The incident occurred in London, Canada, where a car collided with a pole, causing blue flames to engulf a power wire and initiating an electrical fire. Now let's have a look at this stunning killer whale performance. What a fortunate day for these individuals. North Wildwood's seawalls were battered by powerful waves. Along the coast of Tropical Storm in New Jersey, Miss Olivia gripping railings as a result, doing my best to stay upright as powerful downpours pounded them. As evidence for anyone doubting the authenticity of Chinese products, a footbridge at a picturesque location collapsed in China's Zhongshan province, sending scores of tourists plunging into the lake.